Worksheet day 5 here. Now we're going into Math Foundations, the next subheading, which is decimals. So working with decimals. Again, they're going to start by identifying the digits. If the name just ends in an S, then it's in front of the decimal. But if it ends with a THS, then it's after the decimal. You have to remember that after the decimal, there's no one spot. There's no once. It starts with tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So when I think of the 10th spot, I think of the number 10 and how many zeros it has. It only has 1 0, so it's one place after the decimal. When I think of the thousandths, I think of the number 1,000. It has 1, 2, 3 zeros, so it's 3 places after the decimal. So again, the comma there is kind of confusing because of the sentence, but if I want to take 731.4637 and identify the number in the ones, if it's in the one spot, it's in front of the decimal, so the first number in front of the decimal is a 1. The 10th spot, one place, 1 0 in a 10 after the decimal. So the 4 is in the 10th spot. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths. The thousandths would be 3 places after the decimal. 1, 2, 3 places, the 3. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So there's a 1 in the 1 spot, 4 in the tenths place, and a 3 in the thousandths place. So in my next number, the first one is in the thousands. It's in front of the decimal. The next one says tenths. THS, so I think of the 10, it's one place after the decimal. Thousandths. THS, I think of the number 1,000, 3 places after the decimal. So the thousand spot, 1, 10, 100,000, 9,000. The 10th spot would be one place after the decimal, the 8. The thousandths, 3 places after the decimal, the 6. And in my third number, again, I'm looking for the ones, just ends in an S. The tenths, THS, so one place after the decimal, and the hundredths. A hundredth has 2 zeros, so 2 places after the decimal. So the 1 spot right in front of the decimal is the 3. The 10th spot, one place after the decimal is the 2. And the hundredths, 2 places after the decimal, 6. So again, we need to know the place value so that we can round to the nearest whatever. Now in this case, when we're rounding after the decimal, instead of changing them to zeros, we just drop anything after that point.